Dive into the heart of the South Pacific and ride the waves like a local with these insider tips on how to travel like a Fiji expert. Timing is everything. For pros, April to October brings the perfect swells and offshore winds. But if you're just starting out, the gentler waves of November to March are your best bet. Fiji's surf breaks are legendary. Cloud break, restaurants, frigates, each has its own allure. Do your homework, match them to your skills, and consider a local surf guide to unlock the secrets of these waters. Gear up with a top-notch surfboard, rash guards, reef booties, and don't skimp on the sunscreen. Pack light, breathable clothes, and capture your epic rides with a waterproof camera. Live the surf culture by staying where the waves are at your doorstep. Enjoy the camaraderie of fellow surfers and the convenience of surf-centric amenities. Say bula and dive into the vibrant Fijian lifestyle. Learn the language, partake in ceremonies, and feast on local delicacies. It's not just about the waves, it's about the soul of Fiji. Protect the pristine coral reefs and marine life. Surf responsibly, avoid damaging the coral, and participate in conservation efforts to preserve Fiji's natural splendor. The ocean is unpredictable. Embrace Fiji's laid-back rhythm, adapt to the conditions, and discover the island's many other treasures. Maximize your wave time with a local expert. They'll guide you to the best spots and share the spirit of their island home. Keep your energy up and your body hydrated. Surfing in the tropics demands it, and you'll want to be ready for every wave that comes your way. Snap those sunsets and barrel shots, but remember to also soak in the beauty firsthand. Balance is key to a memorable Fiji surf trip. Give back by supporting local artisans and initiatives. Your visit can have a lasting, positive impact on the communities you enjoy. With these expert tips, you're set to carve the waves and immerse yourself in the magic of Fiji. Embrace the adventure, respect the culture, and surf like a Fiji pro. Bula Vinaka.